Mama's gonna give us a slime, and then she's gonna show us a picture of a different slime that's like completely different. And we're gonna have to try to turn into that slime, right?
I don't know.
Me too. So
wish us good luck.
yeah, guys. So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, girls, are you ready to see slime?
No! I'm so nervous.
Okay, these aren't too bad. They're just a melted yellow slime.
Melted. I hope it's not too melted.
Yeah, me too. So,
Okay, so for Bella, I want you to turn yours into a mint chocolate chip slime.
that looks tricky, Bella. You think you could do it?
Maybe.
Okay,
I believe in myself.
and for Jasmine, I want you to turn it into a strawberry slime.
Okay, that's gonna be so tricky, but I think I can do it.
Okay, so you girls are gonna have 1 minute to go and find the ingredients that you need to fix this slime. Are you ready?
Yes! Yes! Okay, let's
go.
go! Okay, guys, so now I just got back with our slime ingredients. But before I make our slime, we just want to say thank you to Maddie Ray for sending us these amazing slime ingredients to make our slime.
Yeah.
So, for my ingredients, I got some slime glue, some food coloring, and the colors I got was Dusty Rose and Tropical Red. And then I have some fruit charms, so I can put a little strawberry on top, and some shaving cream.
And I got shaving cream. I got some glue. I got some blue food coloring. And last but not least, I got some little chocolate charms.
Ooh, that's gonna be a cool slime. Okay, so before we start making our slimes, if you want to wish me some good luck, remember to subscribe to our channel.
And if you want to wish me some good luck, make sure to give us a big thumbs up.
Ready, guys? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Let us know in the comments, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay, girls, are you ready for me to start the timer?
no!
Okay, well, we started anyway. Okay. Oh, we need to look at the slime.
Oh yeah, I'll show you.
Oh, it's sticky.
Oh, is it sticky?
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, so sticky.
Okay, ready? Oh, it is sticky. Look at my fingers. The color isn't too bad, but the texture is kind of sticky. It's stretchy though. I love you guys.
Okay, girls, are you ready for me to start this timer?
Okay, but I need to take out my trendy scrunchie.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, so first I'm gonna add in my glue.
Hey, me too.
Oh, twins. Okay, so. Oh, whoa! It covered my slime. I hope I am able to fix it. I'm all done with my glue. Now it's time to add in my next ingredient. I think I'm gonna mix it at the. Oh, you're already mixing? Cause it's gonna stick to me. So now let's add in my shaving cream. That'll help. Ah!
You need to shake it first.
Okay, that's good. So I have 2 food colorings just in case as a backup, but I'm gonna start off with the lighter one and then we'll work our way in with the darker one. Like 2 drops, 3 drops. Okay, I think it's time to mix. Ooh, it kind of feels really cool.
It feels like it's getting stop getting sticky.
Look how pretty! This kind of reminds me of your slime the last time we had did one, remember? That you had like threw it everywhere.
Yeah.
It's so fluffy.
Don't go everywhere like me.
We're going for this one. We're gonna run out of time, guys.
Do you think your girls are going to be able to turn it into that other slime?
Yeah, totally. I don't know.
I need more shaving cream. Sugar shake.
Do you think you can do it, Bella?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe.
Okay, I need to activate it.
If I don't run out of time.
Oh, there's the activator.
Oh, can you open it for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I don't think it might need activator. Like I'm just putting in shaving cream and it's making it form.
Ooh, that's cool.
Okay, well, in case you need some, here you go.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Okay, girls, we're going to run out of time. You have 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
3 minutes already?
Yep.
So 2 minutes have passed. Oh, your slime actually looks
Let me
pretty
see
nice.
up close.
Ooh, I need to keep up the good look.
Look. Oh my god, they're getting so
This doesn't work out. Ugh. It's so
It's looking good so far.
Yeah, but I need to get it darker because the picture was like a darker slime.
If you don't want to go at the gym, just make slime.
If you don't want to go to gym, make slime. Ah! I feel like we're running out of time. My slime isn't a good color yet. It's like,
Stop putting in my food coloring.
and I need to start getting it off my hands and kneading it, or else I'm gonna run out of time.
Ooh, I got a bit of.
Whoa.
Oh, Bella, a piece of your slime just flew.
It looks. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Guys, my slime is so pretty, but I think it needs to be a little bit darker because the picture was darker. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with tropical red to see if that makes it a little bit darker. Is that? Oh. Okay, I don't want to add
Is this
too
too
much.
much?
I don't know. If anything, I have shaving cream, so I'll lighten it up. It might be the perfect color. Let's see. What do you guys think? Do you think it's gonna be the perfect color or like a weird
And
color?
let's see Bella's. You're gonna add more Bella?
I feel like it's not like getting to the perfect color.
I think that's good. But you might add it too much.
Yeah, I don't want to add
Because
it.
it's mint chocolate chip.
Yeah. So it needs to be a good mint color.
A little bit more because it's...
It needs activated.
And you
It's
girls only
sticky?
have 1 minute left.
Oh no, guys! We only have 1 minute to finish it. I
You
still
always put it in front of your slime so we can see your slime, silly.
I
It's
might
starting to turn.
activate.
Yeah.
You think you overactivated?
Yeah, but I'm kneading it and it's getting better and better. It's not
Need some more of this one. Okay. It's turning a good color, but
You girls have 40 seconds left.
No! I haven't even added
And
my
you still need to put it in your jar and add the little, what is it called? The fruits on top.
But oh no, I might stay at the table. Pick it up, pick it up.
I'm almost. I think I need more.
Bella, I think yours is pretty good.
Yeah, I don't think you need any more. It looks like a great color. Silly.
This will be the last time.
Okay, I like my color now, but it's a
You
little...
girls have 22 seconds.
No! We're gonna run out of time, Bella.
Bella, you need to put it in your jar.
Wait, we need to put it in our jar?
Yeah, you need to add a little.
Ah, it's splashing on me. Ah! I don't think it's gonna fit in my
10
jar.
seconds left.
No, I need my
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I can't swirl it. Am I
Time.
allowed to swirl it?
Let me see. Don't
I
move.
can put my jar.
Okay, you can put the charm. Okay, let's see. Okay, Bella, you're first. Are you ready to show us?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Oh, that looks so good. It looks really yummy. Look at that heart. How
Aw.
cute. Great job, Bella.
And it's like a little hot chocolate.
And let's see, Jasmine.
So my charm kind of went in the slime, but
Wow,
isn't
that
it
looks
so
really
pretty?
nice.
Yeah.
It looks like a strawberry, like
Milkshake.
smoothie, and it's like all, yeah, like a milkshake. And it's all like melted on the sides. I love
And
it.
look how much extra I had. It didn't fit in my container.
Okay, so now we're gonna compare the pictures. Ready? To
Okay.
see if each slime looks like the picture.
Okay, guys, so do you think we did a good job? I think we did a pretty good job.
Yeah.
Right? And I love your slime. It looks
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah, I think yours looks beautiful too.
Thank you. So let's take it out and stretch it for you guys. And both of our charms went like all the way to the
Yeah, like
bottom.
look, all my charms are like gone, like they're already like sinking. Let's try to find them.
Look how stretchy my slime is. Oh, I love it so
Let's
much.
try to find all the charms.
Oh, I found it.
I found mine. My first one.
I love that hard charm you put on there too.
Yeah. Oh, I found another one. I love you guys.
Oh, it's a heart.
Aww, you're so sweet.
Let me see your slime, Bella. Stretch it. Actually, can you crunch it for us?
Sure.
And now stretch it for us.
I need to find the rest of the charms. Oh, I already found one. I'm finding so
And let's
many
see,
charms.
Jasmine.
So I was swirling mine and with a little, well, not cherry on top, strawberry on top. It's so nice. Look how clicky. And the stretches, oh, they're amazing. Ready? Do you guys want me to try to make a slime bubble because my slime is so stretchy?
Yeah, try it. Ready
Okay.
and move back.
Okay, ready, Bella? Do you think I could do it? Oh, really? Wow!
Hey, you got pink in
Oh,
mine.
I'm so sorry. You forgive me?
Yeah,
That
but
actually looks really pretty.
It looks like a mermaid.
okay, but I don't want any more pink in my slime.
Look at my hands.
Bella, you want to try to make a slime bubble?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay, go.
Can you do it? Can't you do it? Okay. Let's try again. Ready? 1, 2.
That was a total fail.
Wait a
But at least you
second.
look cute doing it.
Yeah, but look. Dun 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 dun.
You might do it. Try to flip it. Okay, guys, so that's it in today's video. We really hope you enjoyed it. And
Yeah.
guess what time it is, guys?
It's shout-out time!
And stay tuned because it might be you or you or you. Just kidding. So today's shout-outs go to Jasmine and Charlotte because they're commenting the sweetest things on our post. So we love you both and we love all of you guys too.
Yeah.
So yeah, we love you to the moon and back. Mwah! Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. We're at 97,000 subscribers. I'm so excited.
We need to celebrate with you guys.
Yeah, let us know what we should do for 100K. And we love you to the moon and back.